Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine, this machine was brought here because it was leaking, and yeah, that was definitely leaking from multiple parts. When we opened this machine, we found a couple of the hoses inside the thermoblock and the water pump that they were leaking. So we replaced those gaskets. We basically replaced all the little gaskets around there to make sure there's not any extra leaks. Once we took care of that, we also found another leak, and that was coming from the main water tank. As you can see, in this little part, there's a little crack in there, and basically water was coming out from was just pouring out in the back of the machine because of that, and some of it inside because of the hoses. So we fixed all that, and now we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Let me see if I can find my cup. There it is, and here we go. Hopefully I pick up the right brand size for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I could have done it a little bit more finer, to have the more slower flow, but as you can see, we're getting good crema, good quantity for just one espresso shot. And we're just gonna run the water for a bit so we can just test it out and show you that there's no leaks around. Then we're gonna use the steamer as well, and then do you have to have one? No, just the steamer. Perfect, let's do that once again. As you can see, extremely good water flow coming out of the machine. And now for the steam. You can have the pressure in there. Now the water pump is full saving, so we should start getting more pressure into the steam one. As you can see, good steam coming out of the machine, excellent temperature, working perfectly fine. Alright, let's the machine cool off a bit. Alright, lots of water went through this machine, and as you can see, don't mind that little stain, that's from a previous machine. Completely empty, no water coming out from the water tank, from the sides, or anything like that. And there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.